In our country, so many hospitals are present. In spite of this, so many patients are increasing day by day. So many schools are present, but they are producing. What are they producing? We don't know. Corruption is increasing day by day. Who will check these absurdities, malpractices, and corruption in this nation? The schools, the work should be done from behalf of the schools. Now the government is going to take the initiatives, steps to check such kind of the corruption in our country. So here, from the bottom of the heart, we will have to have a place, really from the core of heart, that to stop, check corruptions which are increasing day by day in our country. Main obstacles of our life and in our country, in the way of development, the corruption is the main reason. So how will we eradicate these corruptions? We will take an oath today. I believe that corruption has been one of the major obstacles to economic, political, and social progress of our country. I believe that all stakeholders, such as government, citizen, and private sector, need to work together to eradicate corruption from our country. I realize that every citizen should be vigilant and commit to highest standards of honesty and integrity at all times and support the fight against corruptions. Once again, from the core of my heart, I would like to request Mr. Dwivedi sir, please make the all school attention to have place from the bottom of their heart to eradicate this corruption. Please, Dwivedi sir.
School, attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Get ready for the pledge.
हम प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि जीवन के सभी क्षेत्रों में ईमानदारी तथा कानून के नियमों का पालन करेंगे। हम प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि ना तो रिश्वत लेंगे और ना ही रिश्वत देंगे। हम प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि सभी कार्य ईमानदारी तथा पारदर्शी रीति से करेंगे। हम प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि जनहित में सभी कार्य करेंगे। हम प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि अपने निजी आचरण में ईमानदारी दिखाकर उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करेंगे। हम यह भी प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि भ्रष्टाचार की किसी भी घटना की रिपोर्ट उचित एजेंसी को देंगे। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे, जय हिंद।
अपराधी को लेकर पैसा, जनता को चौकीदार लग रहा है डाकू जैसा। अरे भाई ऐसा क्यों? द रीजन इज करप्शन। हम 5th से लेकर आज तक करप्शन को स्पीच सुन कर पक गए। तो सबको ये तो पता ही होगा कि करप्शन का मतलब है दिए गए अधिकारों का पर्सनल गेन के लिए दुरुपयोग करना। नाउअडेज एडमिशन चाहिए तो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम तो बस नाम की है, एक फॉर इधर और सील उधर बुक। अगर हमारे पास कनेक्शन ना भी हो तो पैसे भी स्वीकार्य है। वेल, इससे होता क्या है? बैकग्राउंड क्लासेस के लिए तो रिजर्वेशन था ही, पर अगर ये होगा तो फिर और एक रिजर्वेशन की कैटेगरी आएगी, दीज स्पेशल रिजर्वेशंस बिहाइंड द डोर्स। तो इतना तो करप्शन होता ही है, इससे और कई गुना ज़्यादा भी होता है। भारत के लगभग हर पुलिस स्टेशंस में रिश्वत लेके अपराधियों को छोड़ दिया जाता है। वन ऑफ अस इज इंट्रोगेटेड इन पुलिस स्टेशंस because we accidentally hit other people's vehicle. So I can bet that every one of us will be released from the police station within the time period of 10 to 15 minutes without any interrogation, and even if it's our fault, we won't be punished. How? Believe it or not, it would be through either money or connection. Basically, power. It's the misuse of power which brings corruption. With power, it comes corruption, and with absolute power comes absolute corruption. But if the same tactic is used by a dangerous criminal, it would be a great threat to society and or even the nation. और फिर जब पब्लिक सर्विसेज की बात आती है और उसमें डेवलपमेंट की बात आती है, तो हम ये क्यों भूल जाते हैं कि हम ही वो लोग हैं जो पैसा चोरी करते हैं, टैक्स का पैसा। और फिर जब डेवलपमेंट नहीं होता तो लोग हंगामा शुरू कर देते हैं। In all, the development of the country is inversely proportional to the amount of corruption in the country. हम सबको पता है करप्शन क्या है, हम सबको पता है करप्शन प्रैक्टिस कैसे होता है, तो ये बंद क्यों नहीं होता? Because corruption is like a fox hiding in sheep's hide, and adding the cherry to the cake, the sheep around it are protecting it. What I mean to say is, the people that are practicing corruption and the people who are not trying to expose it. And until or unless the people exposes the corruption, it would remain deep within the roots of the society. Even knowing this, I believe in our honorable Prime Minister's idea. Once he quoted that, from my experience, I can believe that we can make our nation corruption free, but promises won't work. इरादे नेक होने चाहिए. So let's move towards no corruption India. Thank you.
I saw the justice in a sale. The buyers were dressed well. I saw the black-white as brokers. The suffering looked as workers. I asked about the non-fiction. The voice raised corruption, corruption. I saw that drought, dry as barren throat. I saw the faces pale, death hunger on high scale. I asked about the non-fiction. The voice raised corruption, corruption. I saw the talent sitting sad, wet eyes, degree in hand. I saw the asset busy in labor, books, bags, nothing to favor. I asked about the non-fiction. The voice raised corruption, corruption. I saw a resolutioned eye, hope, love, change at high. I saw a face raising the hand to mix hate with the sand. I asked about the non-fiction. The voice raised, say no to corruption. Thank you.